On to quiz 310, finding the area of trapezoids and problem solving. All right, here we go. Here's a calculator. How did they find 132? The formula for a trapezoid is 1/2 height times base 1 plus base 2. Base 1 plus base 2. Then you multiply it. That's where we talk about order of operation and what that looks like. So, oops, that was from the last quiz. We didn't end up solving that. So if the formula is 1/2 area of a trapezoid equals, and again, all of this is open note, open book, 1/2 height times base 1 plus base 2. All right, so that's the formula. Now we need to figure it out and plug them in. The height. Boom, we should all be familiar with height now. So it would be 1/2 times 12. What is this? Base 1 plus base 2. Well, here's base 1. It doesn't matter which one's base 1 or base 2. It's just noticing that you have 2 to think about. This is a different length than just 8, right? Because that would just be this little rectangle in here if we did just 8. But it's not. We're trapezoid, right? Okay, so we have at least base 1 is 8. What's base 2? Base 2 is this whole length from D to C. And they don't tell it to you as 14. They tell it to you as here's 3 inches plus 8 inches plus 3 inches. So that base 2 is 14. Ta-da! Now we can plug it into our nifty calculator. You can write 1/2 as a decimal. You can divide 6/12 by 1/2 and know that it's 6. And then just don't forget to add these together, which is 8 plus 14 is 22. Okay, here we go. So 1/2 times 12 times 22. Whoops, what just happened? Oh, that's fine. That's perfect. 132 square inches. You cannot do 1/2, right? 1 divided by 2 times 12 times 8 plus 14. That won't work. Oops. Anyway, I typed it in wrong. It won't work anyway because of order of operations, parentheses. Parentheses is actually the first thing we have to always look at. So great job. 132 square inches. We're going to do that same thing for all of these. In this case, several things we could use our calculator for. 2 plus 12 plus 2. That should be 16. Yay, good mental math. Woohoo. That's base 1 plus 12, which is base 2, 28. So now we can use that in our formula. 28 times 9, that's the bases added together, times the height. And then I'm going to divide that by 2 because that's half. If we times by half, it's the same as dividing by 2. Look at that, 126. Slow the video down, pause the video if you need to, write on paper, write out the steps I'm saying with my words, and check it, okay? Here we go again. Area of a trapezoid is 1/2 times the height times the base 1 plus base 2 added together. So base 1 plus base 2, look, base 1 is 2 plus 14 plus 2, looks like 18 plus 14. Base 1 and base 2, 18 plus 14. Look at that. Do you agree? I agree. Okay, this base plus this base is 32. 2 plus 14 plus 2 plus 14. Now we're going to multiply it by the height, which is 12. Remember, we're all familiar with that. And now you can times it by 1/2 if you want. Times by 1/2 equals 192 inches. And remember that 1/2 means 1 divided by 2. All right, great job. Slow it down, rewatch it, back it up. How did I get 192? What did I type in here? How did I find it? 2 plus 14 plus 2 is this base. This base plus this base. Then you times that by the height and half. 1/2 base times height. Okay, let's keep going. We're going to have 2 videos. That's okay. We're going to have 2 videos, and that's wonderful. So I'm going to stop this one here, and we're going to go on with the next video.